Okay, we'll do it later on with him.
Akash?
Yeah, we can do it later on with him. Yeah.
I'll say, I don't remember. Taraji, let's begin with you.
Who?
Taraji.
Taraji.
Me.
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Tara Ramchandani, and my birthplace is Surat, and I stay in Pune. And the first question was, which is your favorite movie?
Yes.
So my favorite movie is Hangama. It's a comedy movie, and I enjoy watching comedy films. And favorite food is my ghar ka khana. I love fruits, soups, salads. I enjoy eating them. And if I have to go out, I enjoy South Indian dosa. And favorite restaurant in Pune, there's a very beautiful restaurant of health food. It is called Pash at Kalyani Nagar. And whoever comes to Pune must visit this place. It's amazing place. Amazing menu. It's run by one master chef.
Is it
And,
new, Taraji? I haven't heard of it.
It's not very new, but it's one bungalow converted into a restaurant.
Okay.
And run by master chef. And it's a vegetarian, but the menu is amazing. So
Okay.
whoever is in Pune must visit this place. It's called Pash.
Okay.
And
Sure.
और क्या है? Then
Places you would love to visit.
let me read step by step. Favorite sport is written. Favorite sport is I love to do yoga, pranayam, and swimming. And yeah, place to visit. I've not been to Kedarnath and Badrinath and Dharamshala. I would love to go those places. And the next question was when I'm alone. When I'm alone, I love to listen to music and yeah, go to WhatsApp. Enjoy reading WhatsApp messages.
Oh, your WhatsApp messages are awesome. Awesome. Really awesome.
And और क्या है? Yeah. Seventh question is what you wanted to do but couldn't do. Okay. When I was small, I couldn't run a marathon and climb a mountain. I would have loved to do that, which I couldn't do. And other things, I tried my hand at everything. I used to play squash also.
Wonderful.
Swimming, squash, yoga. I love to do yoga. I do it every day. Every morning I start my day with pranayam and yoga. That Swati knows.
Yes, I would like to interrupt here.
Yeah.
I know Taraji for the last 10 years. And sun may forget to rise someday. But she has not missed her yoga even for a single day. We have a garden in the center of the society. So every day she comes down there at 6 in the morning and does herself, and also many others, they learn from her. So do good.
I feel I always say health is wealth. For my body, I like to do yoga pranayam, and for my healthy mind, I like to do satsang. I'm very much connected with satsang, and I have satsang every Wednesday in the house also, and well, that keeps my mind very healthy. And what else? Mm,
Yeah, I think that was it. Yeah, I think, yeah, those were the questions.
yeah, there are more.
The more, okay.
Yeah, there are many more. I've got them written down. What would you like to spend money on? Well, I love to visit exhibitions, and I would like to go for holidays. And what would you like to give? Yeah, if you have extra money, what would you like to do? I would like to give for charity. And one question is, in childhood, what you like to do? What you did in your childhood? What you like to do? So when I was small, I was staying at Juhu. So I used to love walking on the beach and collect shells from the sand. I used to enjoy doing that. And mm, and I loved singing, dancing, painting, everything, you name it. And acha, what type of music you like? I love bhajans, Sufi songs, and ghazals. And ghazal mein, of course, Jagjit Singh. And what would you like to buy local? Local, यहाँ का Kayani Bakery is very famous for cakes, mawa cakes and strawberry biscuits. So I always buy them for my friends and relatives. Whenever I go out of town, I always buy from Kayani Bakery. They are delicious. And what would you like to buy local? And then there's what quality you would like in a friend? She should be honest and sincere. And the last question is, which veg you identify yourself with and why? Is it only the veg or the fruit?
Yes, yes, fruits will also do. Please.
Oh, I love Alfonso mango. That's my
Okay.
favorite fruit.
And
that
especially
was the
from Ratnagiri.
Exactly. Yeah. So that was the last question. Yeah.
Great. Lovely. You have answered all of them,
Wonderful.
Taraji. Yes. Great.
Total, you know
knowing
how
you
many
both.
questions were there? 15.
Madhu,
You are on
unmute
mute,
yourself.
Madhu, you are on mute. So next, whom do we go with? Dhiruben?
So, 1 minute, Sagarika.
हाँ.
दिलीप जी, आप बता सकते हैं कि मीरा जी का फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन, हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन क्या बोला था उन्होंने?
पकड़े
No,
गए
no.
अभी.
You all need to unmute yourself when you speak.
To
Yes.
me, you're telling.
हाँ, आपको पूछ रही हूँ. आप मीरा जी ने बोला था मुझे अगर जाना पड़ा, मुझे जाना है तो ये हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन में. आपको याद है? कुछ याद आ रहा है? किसी कोई भी अनम्यूट करके बोल सकता है. मीरा जी के बारे में उनका डेस्टिनेशन क्या था?
ये बिल्कुल बोर्ड एग्जाम हो गया मधु.
That is a memory
Kedarnath.
test.
Yeah, ये
हरिद्वार
ये
and
क्या बोलते हैं क्या वो जो क्या बोलते हैं वो वहाँ है जो तिब्बत चाइना बॉर्डर चाइना में
No.
No.
मानस
I
सरोवर
think Lata aunty answered it.
मानस सरोवर
He answered for Tara ji's answer. Lata aunty was not there last time.
Okay, yes.
Okay, Dhiru Ben, आपको याद है?
Dhiruben also wasn't there last time. Last time Dhiruben
She was there.
joined late. She joined late.
She was there. She was there.
Motwani ji knows. He was raising his hand.
I didn't get the question well. I think it's Kedarnath. She told me Kedarnath.
No.
केदारनाथ तो नहीं, वो केदारनाथ नहीं जाएगी वो.
Okay.
Mir-
Renu aunty, आपको मीरा aunty
You're
के बारे में
talking
याद
about
है?
whom? Sorry.
मीरा
you're
aunty,
talking about-
मीरा जी.
Switzerland.
No. Anybody else? Keep your brain sharp. Keep your brain sharp. Okay. Anybody guessing? Let me guess.
Egypt.
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 Yes. Yes.
Japan.
One of my destination also, yes.
Japan. Yes. Who said Japan?
Oh,
Me.
Japan. हाँ.
oh.
Okay. So let's start. Tanuja ji. या Dhiruben, whoever. And कोई भी.
Dhiruben चलिए. हाँ, चलिए.
मेरा नाम धीरजबेन जोशी है और एज 73 इयर्स है और मुंबई में अंधेरी में रहती हूँ और मेरी फेवरेट मूवी में सिलसिला और डीडीएलजे और अभिमान
Wow.
और फूड में सभी
Lovely.
तरह की
All of
पसंद
them.
करती हूँ, खास करके मिठाइयाँ ज्यादा और फरसान में समोसा और बटोटा वड़ा.
हाँ. तो दिखता नहीं है आपके ये सब दिखता नहीं है समोसा बड़ा.
रेस्टोरेंट है वो आरके रेस्टोरेंट मेरे घर के पास है, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. अगर कोई मेरे यहाँ आए तो मैं वहाँ ले जाना चाहूंगी जरूर से. और स्पोर्ट्स में मुझे रनिंग और वॉकिंग पसंद है, और बचपन में तो हाई जंप में मेडल भी ले चुकी हूँ। और फ्रेंड्स के साथ अंताक्षरी वगैरह खेलती हूँ।
You look an athlete, धीरूबेन।
अच्छा, कंट्री में स्विट्जरलैंड और केदारनाथ में जा चुकी हूँ, लेकिन फिर जाना चाहती हूँ, और डेनमार्क देखने की बहुत इच्छा है। और एक्टिविटीज में पुराने ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स पसंद करती हूँ, और कार्ड्स प्ले, रमी खेलना बहुत ही पसंद है मुझे, वो करती हूँ, और बुक रीडिंग और राइटिंग। और
क्या लिखते हो आप? व्हाट डू यू राइट?
मैं शॉर्ट स्टोरीज लिखती हूँ।
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड। तो हम आपसे एक दिन शॉर्ट स्टोरी सुनेंगे हम।
श्योर श्योर।
आपके
और
लिखे हुए।
अगर कहीं बहुत ही ज्यादा अगर जाने की इच्छा है तो मुझे हिमालय जाने की बहुत इच्छा है। और फ्री टाइम में मैं फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ रमी खेलती हूँ या अंताक्षरी खेलती हूँ। और अगर मेरे पास कुछ पैसे जमा हो जाते हैं तो मैं गिफ्ट लेके अनाथ आश्रम और ओल्ड एज होम में जाके देती हूँ। वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, वहां जाना। उन लोगों के चेहरे जब खुश होते हैं ना, उनको खुशी देखकर ही खुशी मिलती है। उसके बाद अगर मेरे पास, मैं जानती हूँ कि ये ज्यादा पैसा मांग रहा है, लेकिन बेडशीट के लिए मैं दे देती हूँ। मुझे पसंद आ गई कि ये अच्छी है, और मुझे मालूम है ये ज्यादा ले रहा है, तो भी मैं वो ले लेती हूँ।
गुड गुड गुड। नींद अच्छी आती है कि नहीं? अच्छे बेडशीट्स बिछाने से।
वो पसंद आ गई तो पता भी है कि वो ज्यादा ले रहा है, लेकिन लेती हूँ। और बचपन में फ्रेंड्स के साथ दुर्गा पूजा देखना मुझे बहुत पसंद आता था। हम लोग दुर्गा पूजा में 4 दिन धमाल मस्ती बस वही करते थे। और ऑल टाइप के सॉन्ग्स में पसंद है मुझे मुकेश के सॉन्ग, और धर्मेंद्र पर पिक्चराइज किए हुए सॉन्ग्स, और जगजीत सिंह की गजलें। और लोकल में मैं वेजिटेबल खुद अपने हाथ से लेना पसंद करती हूँ। लोकल मार्केट जाती हूँ तो वहाँ मुझे वेजिटेबल्स लेने बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। और फ्रेंड्स में मुझे उसकी पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग चाहिए। अगर वो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग है, वो बोलते हैं, और वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है। दूसरी बात की ऑनेस्टली वो मुझे मेरा दोस्त बताए, मेरी गलती बताए, वो फ्रेंड मुझे ज्यादा पसंद आते हैं। और मैं अपने आप को बटाटा से कंपेयर करना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि बटाटा सब चीज में मिक्स हो जाता है, उस तरह मैं भी सब में मिक्स हो जाती हूँ।
वेरी गुड, लवली
लवली। यस यस, ये बात हमने एहसास किया है धीरूबेन पिछले कुछ महीनों में।
क्या?
ये कि आप सब में मिक्स हो जाती है, बहुत सोशल हैं।
और आपका स्माइल बहुत प्यारा है। वेरी वेरी नाइस स्माइल, वेरी प्रिटी स्माइल, बहुत दिल से स्माइल है। दिल से स्माइल है आपका।
थैंक यू।
चलिए तनुजा जी, आप लोग सब सुनिए। हाँ, अभी मधुमिता जी अभी एक बार आ गए फॉर्म में, और फिर से धड़ाधड़।
सबका नमस्ते।
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते
तो
नमस्ते।
एक एक क्वेश्चन पूछते जाइए, मैं बोलते जाऊंगी।
अरे बाप रे, अभी हमको क्वेश्चन याद ही नहीं है। आप अपने
अच्छा,
बारे
ठीक है।
में बोल दीजिए। जैसे
तो मैं तनुजा
और म्यूट
नहीं,
What is muting me? The host is muting me.
हाँ म्यूटिंग को यहाँ।
Okay, तनुजा जी, आपके पास लास्ट टाइम क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे?
हाँ है, जो भी है
थोड़ा मेहनत करिए ना, थोड़ा मेहनत करके उसको पढ़िए,
अच्छा,
बोलिए प्लीज।
अच्छा, मैं तनुजा रथ हूँ। 1 by 1 में बोलती हूँ। उड़ीसा भुवनेश्वर से हूँ, अभी तो टीन में हूँ। और मूवीज नॉट स्पेसिफिक, एवरीथिंग सस्पेंस, रोमांस, एनीथिंग गुड, ओल्ड न्यू।
कोई नाम याद आ रहा है?
स्पेशल दिल एक मंदिर है।
हाँ, अरे वाह, ओके,
सुपर।
गाना गाया था।
हाँ, मधुमती भी वो अच्छा लगता है। ठीक है। और जो भी याद आता है आपके क्वेश्चन से, मैं कुछ लिखी हूँ, ये लिख बोल देती हूँ। ठीक है। लव डेली फूड, जो हमारे घर का खाना है। और मेरी फेवरेट है मेरी सास का एंड मेरी माँ का खाना। अभी उसके साथ मेरे कौन सी खाना मैच नहीं कर रही है, तो कौन सी रेस्टोरेंट नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं। तो अभी हमारे भुवनेश्वर में मेफेयर लगून एक रेस्टोरेंट है, उसका खाना अच्छा लगता है। ठीक है।
ओके।
और विजिट ट्रैवल ऑल इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड।
Any specific place?
That is Holland, Netherlands and Sweden.
Wow, good.
ओके। तो फ्री टाइम में सिंगिंग करती हूँ और थोड़ा वो जो स्टॉक मार्केट म्यूचुअल फंड्स में रिसर्च करती हूँ।
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, ये
तो आपका पता नहीं था हमें। वेरी गुड।
हाँ, ये मेरे पैशन है, सिंगिंग एंड सेम दोनों एक ही एक अपोजिट हॉबी है मेरे। सिंगिंग भी पैशन है और स्टॉक मार्केट भी मेरे प्यार है। ओके। तो वेजिटेबल आई लाइक फ्रूट मैंगो, बट आई लाइक माई सेल्फ एज आलू, क्योंकि मैं जिसके घर जाती हूँ, जिसके साथ बोलती हूँ, उनकी पसंद से मैं कर देती हूँ। मेरे अपने पसंद किसी को नहीं बोलती, क्योंकि बोझ बन जाऊंगी शायद, तो इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ आपका जो इच्छा वो बोलो, वो बोलो। ये इसीलिए मैं आलू समझती हूँ अपने आप को।
ओके।
और एलोन टाइम में तो मैं बोल दी एक्स्ट्रा मनी होगा तो मैं क्या करूँ, तब तक खरीद सकती हूँ। कहाँ मन का शांति मिलेगा तो ये खरीद लूंगी जरूर।
अरे वाह,
ये खरीदना है मेरे को।
नहीं, उसके लिए तो खुद कोशिश करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, कोशिश करने से भी नहीं होता है। एलोन ही एलोन, दैट इज लोनलीनेस। तो सबको मैं हंसाती हूँ, फिर अपने आप में ये जो खुशी खरीदना है कहाँ मिलता है, ये अभी इसमें छोड़ दिया आपने दिए में, तो कहाँ मिलेगा तो मेरे को खबर देना, मैं खरीद दूंगी।
एचएनएच में तो मिलता है एवरी ट्यूसडे।
अपने अंदर ही है, किसी के मिलता नहीं है।
एवरी ट्यूसडे आपको फ्री मिलेगा, फ्री मिलेगा आपको।
इसीलिए तो 6 बजे तक आ जाती हूँ। आपको 5 मिनट आज देर लगा, कनेक्शन नहीं हुआ। 1 मिनट 2 मिनट।
और आपके साड़ियाँ, आपके एक साड़ी, एक से बढ़कर एक साड़ी आपके देखने लायक है।
I know, yes, it's Orissa collection, yes.
नहीं, ये उड़ीसा नहीं, ये शिफॉन है, लक्ष्मीपति। सबका एक नाम होता है, मैं सबके नाम देखकर खरीदती हूँ। कोई पूछता है तो ये इसका है, उसका आप ये ब्रांड से खरीद लीजिए, ये बोलती हूँ, इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देती हूँ।
गुड।
वेरी नाइस,
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस।
तो लोकल परचेज है अपने फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स और रेशन। मैं विश्वास करती हूँ वो जो रिलायंस जैसे वगैरह बड़े बड़े गेट से नहीं खरीद कर, छोटे जो है दुकान जो है उनको मैं रेगुलर करती हूँ, जो आकर घर में भी पहुंचा देते। उनको भी जीना है, तो इसीलिए मैं बड़े बड़े ये मैं नहीं जाती हूँ। ठीक है, जितना पारूं वो लोकल। और जो मैं साड़ी भी खरीदती हूँ लोकल, जो हमारा जो खदी का है, जो हमारे हैंडलूम है, तो वो लोग बहुत ही ये क्या है, उनका कुछ प्रॉस्पेरिटी नहीं है, उन लोगों के लिए गवर्नमेंट कुछ कर रहा है। हम लोग तो साड़ी नहीं खरीदेंगे तो वो मर जाएंगे, तो हमको साड़ी खरीदना है, अच्छा खरीद। तो ऐसे सब बोल दी शायद। और मैं नहीं हुआ लाइफ में, मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, फिर मेरे डॉक्टर से शादी हो गई।
ठीक है। लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करती है ना तनुजा जी?
नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ, मैं लॉयर प्रैक्टिस कर सकती थी, नहीं की। तो मेरे मिस्टर डॉक्टर थे। मैं फिर बचपन से ही डॉक्टर ही बनना चाहती थी, क्योंकि मेरे घर में जो बीमार थे, मैं बोलती मैं शायद पढ़ाई करती तो उसको सब अच्छा कर देती, ये इच्छा था। तो शादी डॉक्टर से हुआ। तो संग मेलोडियस सॉन्ग इन एवरी, जो भी हो, नया मस्ती वाला हो, पुरानी हो, दुखिया वाली, सैड डांस, जो भी हो, अच्छा लगा तो सबके साथ मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ। तो गाने से वो थोड़ा स्वीट सिंगिंग, जो गजल वगैरह, मेरे गाने के लिए मेरे जोन है भजन एंड स्वीट सिंगिंग, जो रोमांस भरा। ठीक है, भजन में गाती हूँ, सब समय अपोजिट है मेरे। एक भजन में अच्छा गाती हूँ, फिर रोमांटिक भी अच्छा गाती हूँ।
हाँ, सुना ना मैंने आपका।
नहीं, दोनों जोन है। तो हमारे जो सॉन्ग है उड़िया का रीजनल सॉन्ग, इसमें मैं ज्यादातर भजन गाती हूँ, तो उनको अच्छा लगता है। हमारा जो जगन्नाथ जी हमारे जो है हमारी
पुरी के जगन्नाथ जी, हाँ,
उनके वो जो जड़ान या भजन है वो बहुत ही हमारे यहाँ बहुत पॉपुलर है।
हाँ।
वो गाने जो गाते हैं ना वो बहुत ही ऊंचाई से देखते हैं उनको लोगों।
अच्छा, अच्छा।
तो ऐसे ही मैं अपनी सब बायोडाटा शायद दे दी और कुछ नहीं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
What type of quality friend?
अच्छा,
कौन सा आपका फ्रेंड में कौन सा क्वालिटी आपको अच्छा लगता है?
ये क्यों याद रहा आपको इतना?
ये भी क्वेश्चन है ना, ये क्वेश्चन है, ये इसको स्किप नहीं करना चाहिए।
नहीं, ये थोड़ा मेरे
बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है,
वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि मैं चुन के साथ जो जिसके साथ दोस्त बनाती हूँ और फिर रिजर्व टाइप का मेरे साथ ट्रूथ ही कि ये मैं सबके साथ जो बोलता है मैं ये करती हूँ, देखती हूँ कितना सच्चाई है उसमें। मेरे को ये फेक कुछ बातें नहीं चाहिए कुछ, ठीक है, ओनली सच्चाई चाहिए, ठीक है।
और मैं एक पॉइंट बता रही हूँ, सिंगिंग अच्छा आना चाहिए।
नहीं, हाँ, थोड़ा मेरे लिए सिंग करना चाहिए।
Okay.
Capture such beautiful moments of everyone.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Lata ji, I think Gaurav has come.
Okay, so I think we can wait another 10 minutes.
Yes, Gaurav is back.
Let's finish this. Whoever wants to
Done,
speak.
it's done.
Now
Swati.
next whose turn is it? Sania aunty. Sania aunty ने नहीं बोला.
No, she
नहीं,
has
हो गया
spoken.
साने आंटी का last time.
कोटवानी जी ने भी बोला, रेणु जी ने भी बोला है, सबने बोला I think.
Miss Lata ji, you can just introduce yourself normally.
The patch was there.
Lata
लता
ji,
जी आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए अपने आप को प्लीज.
म्यूट है।
हाँ वो कर रही है.
अनम्यूट करिए लता जी अपने आप को, आप म्यूट हो.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear? I'm audible?
Yes, we can.
Very
Okay.
clear.
Good evening, everyone. मैं लता श्रीनिवासन हूँ
Good
from
evening.
Mumbai.
Yes.
I'm in teaching profession. Of course, अभी I'm running 70 now. So I just for the last 3 years I've stopped teaching. Corona जब से lockdown शुरू हुआ. And then I got a new granddaughter, so my duty is now taking care of my granddaughter. And then I got 2 sons, 2 daughters-in-law. And then both the sons are engineers, daughters-in-law doctor and engineer.
Okay.
और फिर मेरा favorite movie is Sangam, the old Rajkumar wala.
Beautiful movie, yeah.
Yes.
And then my wish was to since a long time I have wanted to visit Switzerland, and very luckily just 15 days back I got a chance. That's why I could not attend the meeting. I had been to Switzerland.
Okay, you have been there.
Super.
So मेरा अच्छा हुआ. And then next month beginning I'm going to Vaishnav Devi. वो जो और एक इच्छा था religious way में जाना था. And then I'm very friendly. I would love to have more friends, and I also like mingle with people. छोटे के साथ छोटे, बुड्ढे के साथ बुड्ढे, like I can manage with anyone. And then पूरा दुनिया मेरे को लता आंटी बोलता, बच्चे भी लता आंटी बोलते, बुड्ढे भी लता आंटी बोलते. I don't know how, why and how, but मैं लता आंटी सबके लिए लता आंटी हूँ. And what else to say? That's all. Like
Something you wanted to do always and could not do.
Trekking, which I have not yet done. I just would love to experience what the trekking is.
Okay.
And then I was a sports person during my younger days, though I had restrictions from my parents. Like they were not very happy with sports में skirts पहनना पड़ता वाला. तो चोरी से sports में जाती थी मैं. घर में
very earlier days there was not much encouragement to sports.
But now my children, I give my daughters-in-law and my children full freedom. I don't interfere, because whatever I could not accomplish, like everything, I give freedom to them. और क्या बोलूं? Movie, Sangam, that's all.
हो गया, movie हो गया, movie हो गया, सब हो गया, place of visit हो गया. Extra पैसे आए तो आप क्या करना चाहोगे? Suddenly you get a lot of money, extra money.
My actually small wish is to build a small hospital, like just local.
Okay. So your daughter-in-law can help in that. She's a doctor.
Yeah. She's a doctor. We have got her own clinic we have started, but then I want to have it a little bigger scale, like we can hire some. I mean, paisa milega to, that's the thing.
Okay.
And abhi we have wish because I have sold one house. I got some cash. So
we wish you that your wish comes true. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So beautiful. Thank you, Latanji, for joining late.
One more point. That Dipendu Ganguly, who is in this group, he is just recently joined. He is my childhood friend. We were from the first standard, we studied together.
Oh,
so
wow.
So I think
you introduced him to the group?
I introduced him to the group.
Okay, lovely.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Lovely.
By one of my students who is there in the group. She's a young girl of 30 years. Kohli, Amrita Kohli. She is in the group. I don't know how she is in the group. I don't know in the oldies group. But then she told me like, auntie will enjoy it. Okay? She's my ex-student, Amrita Kohli. So I joined it that way. And then I introduced Dipendu Ganguly, Dipendu, who is my from first standard, we were a very childhood friend. Like.
Oh, nice. Lovely. It's so lovely to see. Which school you were in?
Your pardon?
Which school?
Christ the King Convent.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Actually, he is from defense and my father was from defense.
Keeping in touch.
We are moving, studied everywhere. All part of India, like studied everywhere.
Okay. So we wish in the coming times we meet many people like that, isn't it? Keep spreading the word so that.
Thank you.
Please join every week.
Yeah, sure.
So, Mr. Ganguly has also come.
Yes, I have just joined because I actually had been out. I quickly came.
Wow, I'm so happy. You know that people are really liking it and taking up to it very well. Thank you so much.
I had to go out for some work. Then I told my wife that I must quickly go back because I have to join the meeting.
Sure.
We are honored. We are honored, Ganguly ji. We are really honored.
And would love to hear you now. You remember you had written?
Okay. I will then let me speak. My full name is Dipendu Ganguly. In fact, just now Lata spoke. She spotted me after 50 years on Facebook.
Wow.
we studied in the same school and childhood friends. Right now I am 67 years old. I stay at Noida and I worked in Defense Air Force. I retired as wing commander. And from then onwards, I'm into, after studying and all that thing, I'm into the field of Vastu, color therapy and palmistry. In fact, in Vastu, I have been doing from last almost 18-19 years. I'm in Vastu. I have done the Vastu for the entire Zee News as well as bungalows of a lot of member of parliament and a lot of industries and so on. Now, as far as the movies are concerned, I like thriller movies, war movies. I have appreciated one English movie called Longest Day. It's quite a long movie, old movie, and also a Bridge on the River Kwai.
Yes, my favorite too.
Yeah, and incidentally, I went to the spot, to the bridge, and also saw the River Kwai from where all these things happened. And incidentally, my eldest son, he is settled in Bangkok, so we keep going to Bangkok quite often. As far as the food is concerned, I am very fond of Chinese food.
Okay.
Mainland China is one thing, and whenever I happen to go to Calcutta, there is a Chinese, restaurants there. So I'm fond of Chinese food. Sports, well, I have not played much, but then football is a game to my liking. Places which I wish to visit, yes, Venice, I like to visit. Like to go whenever the things become clear, and because of the COVID situation, we couldn't go out. but I have a longing to see Rome, Italy, Venice, those areas I like to go. When I am alone, well, this is a very, very nice question. I have liked it. The question itself, I have liked it, because I have no problem whenever I am alone. I sit for meditation, and I sit for long meditation. And in fact, I can sit for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. There's no problem. And I've been in this doing this meditation from many years. Sitting alone, whenever I sit alone, I'm very fond of meditating. Not that I don't do meditation otherwise, I do every day.
You mean, sorry to interrupt, anytime you feel like you can get into meditative state?
Yeah. I have been practicing meditation from many years. In fact, not only that, I also teach meditation.
Okay.
I have taken classes on meditation, practical classes. Pardon?
We'll do that once here.
Yes. Why not? I'll be too happy to teach all of you.
Some basics to start.
And yes. There are a lot of things to be learnt and known before doing meditation. It is just not sitting and closing the eyes and sitting like that. You have to know a lot of things. Once you know, then you appreciate and you can do the meditation very well. Well, free time. I spend a lot of time speaking to my grandson who is in Bombay. I have got 2 sons. Elder one is in Bangkok. He's settled there. He has got his own company. Okay. And my younger son, he is in Bombay. He's a commercial artist. So we keep talking to our grandchild, and then I'm very fond of listening to music and old songs, old English songs I like. Well, extra money. If I have extra money, well, I like to actually tour. I go a lot of places. Recently, we went to Bombay. From there, we went to Jabalpur. From there, we went to Khajuraho. We went to Panna National Park. We keep going a lot of places. I'm very fond of touring places.
Okay.
And traveling, I like very much. Good food. I'm a little foodie also, even at this age. I like to have good food. Eating, during my childhood, there's a question about childhood. Yes. During my childhood, Bengalis will know, I was very fond of paesh and, what is that called? Patishapta pitha, pancakes, yes. Probably in English it is called.
Yes, paesh is kheer.
Paesh is kheer, and I think pancake in Bengali is patishapta pitha.
Yes, sweet pancake.
So anyway, Bengalis will understand. And my mother used to make all these things, and I used to make a lot of halla gulla if that was not made. Music, old songs, as I told you, Hemant Kumar, and like Jalte Hai, Talak Mahmood, Jalte Hai Jiske Liye. I am very fond of singing this song. I keep singing this song, Jalte Hai Jiske Liye. There are 2-3 more songs which I keep singing. And local. There was a question on local
purchase. Local purchase.
What was the question actually? Local, on something on local. I just wrote the point wise, that is why. Anyway, the next comes
local purchases.
What would you like to buy local?
If available.
Local, wherever I go, I like to have local food. I enjoy, like when I went to Goa, I had Goanese food, like that. So, friends, I like simplicity, honesty, and a jolly good fellow. I don't like serious looking friends.
I mean,
Lata is a jolly good friend of mine.
we have a Hindi word for that, jolly good. Who can guess? Hindi mein? Huh?
Bindas.
Bindas is there. The other one is Zinda Dili.
Push Mejaj.
But I like simplicity, honesty. Those who are actually very simple and very honest, irrespective of their background and wealth and all that thing, you know, those people actually can perform a meditation very well. Let me also add a little line to that.
Okay, okay.
So anyway, I'm not going to go in that detail. Identify vegetables. Identify where, well, let me first tell you in Bangla, Lau Shag, Kumro Shag are I'm very fond of it. Lauki ka shag and pumpkin ka shag.
No. Sorry to interrupt. The question was, which vegetable you would like to identify yourself with?
Vegetable.
Like someone said he wants to be like mint leaves, spreading khushbu all around. So,
Acha. I actually mistook that. Then I'll have to think over anyway. That's the that's the thing.
He's a colorful person with color therapy. So all shag. Hara, giran, hara, nila, pila, sab.
Okay, great. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thanks a lot. So I think we are done with everyone.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So now the surprise thing this evening, we have a young guest. Yes, please speak, Mr.
But we would like to hear from you also, Dr. Sagarika ji, Swati ji, and Madhu ji also.
Next time, maybe next time. Now we listen to the young guests. We'll do that next time. We'll do that.
Sure. I would love to share that. I have made lots of notes.
Yes. Car also that he has not told. Car.
He spoke in the beginning today. So me, Madhu, and Sagarika will surely speak. Okay, so we have a guest here. I want the old members to recognize him. Okay, they have seen him. He has performed earlier also. His name is Gaurav. Can you all welcome him?
Welcome, Gaurav. Welcome.
Magic.
Hi, everyone. Hello.
Oh, absolutely. Yes, Taraji. You are.
Remember?
You remember? Dhiru Ben, I think you have also met him.
Renu auntie must remember him.
Yes.
He liked her tricks.
On card game also.
Card games. He had made us play a few games, of course, and shown some tricks. Welcome, Gaurav. We are so happy to see you again.
Thank you so much, Swati auntie. I don't know if you know this, but actually, I met your son just coincidentally the other day.
Is it?
In Dubai Mall. Yeah.
Okay. Great. So you are still doing the card tricks in the cafe, Gaurav?
Not at Bukad, no.
Okay. I had met you in one of the cafes, I remember, yes.
Yeah, I mean, I keep going to different places, but lately I've just been doing like private parties, events.
Okay,
you know,
lovely.
Stuff
I wish
like
you
that.
continue with your passion. And your grandmom is here today?
No, she's not. She left Dubai. She's in Bombay now.
Okay, because she had joined the group. I don't know.
Did she?
Yes. She's in the group. I had introduced her.
Oh, okay. So has she been to any of the Zoom meetings?
I haven't noticed, but I have seen her name in the group.
No, I haven't noticed.
Oh, okay.
Speak to her next time, Gaurav, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't know she was on the group, so I'll ask her. Yeah, and then I'll make sure that she comes to one of the meetings.
Yes. So everyone is very eager to see your plays. Let's start.
Yeah. So I don't remember what tricks I did last time. So if I happen to repeat some of them, please forgive me. I didn't prepare a routine because I've just been so busy. I have a final exam tonight, and so when I don't prepare a routine, I just have to go with the flow, and that's called jazz magic, right? Where it's just spontaneous, and I just keep going. Okay. So first of all, I just want to. So I've been drinking some Coca-Cola.
Okay.
And my mom doesn't like it when I drink Coca-Cola.
Sagarika,
right?
can you put him on Spotlight?
Yeah, he's there on Spotlight. He's already on Spotlight.
I think she's done that.
Great. Sure.
Yeah. So she doesn't like it when I drink Coca-Cola because of the sugar content. So when she's around, I kind of have to make it disappear. So I'm going to show you how I make it disappear. Okay. So I have a paper bag, right? It's completely empty.
Yes.
Okay. I just drop it in. And just like that, the bottle is gone. You don't believe me?
No,
You think it's still inside?
we saw it that way. Yes.
No, but I'm telling you, it's not inside. See?
No, you shake it. Show us from
Holding-
all
you're
sides.
You
holding
think
it.
I'm holding it? You think I'm holding it?
Yeah, I'm holding.
No, I'm not. See, no hands. It's gone.
No.
You don't believe me,
shake
right?
the packet for us.
And
Yes.
You don't believe me, right? Okay,
No.
hold on. If you don't believe me, there's one thing I can do. You see? Yeah. It's just
That's
let's get rid of that
amazing. That's
and get to the
amazing.
card tricks. Okay. So I'm gonna
That is
do
a
an
good one.
observation test. Now, back in the day, before we had breathalyzers, the cops would to see if you're drunk while driving, the cops would make you stand on one leg, make you walk in a straight line. So I developed my own sobriety test, you may call it. Okay. So I want all of you to follow along. All I want you to do, okay, is to count how many cards you see, but don't say it.
Okay.
Just keep it in your mind. Count how many cards you see. Notice the value of the faces. Again, don't say anything.
We
Notice
can't
the value.
there's too much of light. We can't see the value. It's too much of light.
So I don't want you to say anything, okay?
Okay.
Notice the value of the faces.
Okay.
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 And the color of the backs. Yeah. So I'll repeat. Number of cards, the value of the faces, and the color of the backs. Fair? Okay, let's start. So how many cards did you see?
5.
We can say yes, 5.
5.
5. All of you saw 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct. But you see, I always ask the easy questions first, right? Let's take it up a step. What about the value of the faces? What did you see?
Couldn't see.
Nothing.
0.
Blank.
Zero.
Blank.
You thought you saw nothing? They were all blank?
Yes, they
Yeah.
were blank.
So are you telling me that you didn't see the ace of spades?
No.
Yes.
No.
No,
No?
we didn't see.
Okay, what about the color of the back? So that was easy.
Black.
Blue.
Black.
No, not
black.
black. It is bluish.
Bluish.
Blue like my shirt?
No, not that dark. It was lighter.
Black as-
Light
Okay.
light blue.
Okay. So ranging from light blue to black maybe. Actually, they were red.
No.
All of them.
No.
But if you missed that, you probably missed all of this.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Big round of applause for Gaurav. Yes. We are dumbstruck, Gaurav.
Awesome.
Yes.
So I did this last time as well. I made a prediction in this deck. So I'm gonna you're not gonna see my face right now because
Okay,
I want
fine.
this to be in frame the whole time. Okay,
Sure.
actually we can do this. So I want you all to produce a card. Okay, so I can see on my screen Miss Dhiruben Joshi.
Yes.
So Auntie, so there are red cards and there are black cards, right?
Okay.
Can you choose a color?
Red one.
No, I'm asking Mrs. Dhiruben Joshi.
Okay.
Black.
Black.
You want to go with
She
black?
says
Okay.
Black.
Okay. And Swati Auntie, can you just choose someone else? I want just nominate anyone else so I can ask the next question.
Okay, wait. You take Meera auntie, maybe?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so Meera Auntie, so now in black cards we have clubs and spades. So can you choose a suit?
Meera auntie, you're on mute. Please unmute yours.
Hello,
Yes.
is it okay?
Fine. Yes.
Yeah. What did you ask, Gaurav?
So Mrs. Joshi selected a color, right? She selected black. So now in black cards, we have clubs and spades because hearts and diamonds are red. So we're going to leave that out. So now you have to choose clubs or spades.
Club.
Clubs. Okay, great. And Swati auntie, can you nominate a third person for the number, the value of the card?
Auntie.
5.
Okay, so Lata auntie, can you? Oh, so you said 5?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you all to see how we did this, right? I didn't have one person choose a card. All of us chose a card. All of you chose a card together, 3 of you, right? So we narrowed it down from black cards to clubs to 5. So now we have a playing card, 5 of clubs, right? And that's 1 out of 52 cards. Fair?
Yes.
So I'm going to show you over here. Look, I want to keep this in frame the entire time, right? So the card we came up with was the 5 of clubs, right? In here, I made a prediction before we started any of this. Okay, so let's find out. You see, all the cards are face up, right?
Okay.
All the cards are face up, except for one card. Right?
That's a red one, yes.
Right? And what card did we come up with?
5 of clubs.
5 of clubs.
5 of clubs.
Yeah.
That's the prediction I made before we started. That's the card I placed face down. So I'm glad we have a connection going on.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay.
Renu auntie, hasho.
Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, let's get someone else.
Aso kemon asbe? She's stunned.
Okay, so I see. Okay, let me get someone else now. Yeah. So I see Mr. Subhadra Kar.
Yes.
So yeah. So here's what I'll do. I'll just give the cards some cuts, okay, before we start. And I want you to just say stop at any time. Could you get him on the spotlight?
Sorry?
Just a sec. Just a sec.
Or you have to say stop. After some time, you have to say stop whenever you feel like.
Okay.
Whenever you feel, you say stop.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think I'm no longer in the spotlight.
I'm putting,
anyway.
hold on. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing both of you. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so just say stop at any time as I riffle through.
Stop.
Okay, I'll start again, okay?
Stop.
Right here? Okay. So and we'll do this twice, okay? I can see the first time we do it. So 10 of
Diamonds.
Diamond
10 of
10.
diamonds. Okay, 10 of diamonds. Yeah. So here's what we'll do, okay? What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to half this card, right? So from the 10 of diamonds, if I have this card, what card should we expect? So if I have the value of this card. So what's half of 10?
5.
5. So I would have to make it the 5 of diamonds, right?
Yeah.
Oh, 10.
So half of 10 will be 5. I would have to make this a 5 of diamonds. So I'll show you if I just wave my hand over it, you see that's when the switch happens. You see? And now it's the 5 of diamonds. Okay. Could I let's do this again.
Can you do it again? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do it. So the thing is, magicians normally don't do the same trick twice because you'll start figuring out what's going on, right? But because I like all of you, it's fine. We'll do this again. So since I have Mr. Carr here again, we'll just get him to say stop again.
Stop.
Okay, okay, let's go again. So I can't see myself if we have too many on the spotlight, and I don't know if others can see me as
Okay,
well.
sorry. I'll just then I'll hold on.
Honestly, you can just keep me so that everyone can have a good view.
Okay, done.
Yeah. But anyway, so Mr. Carr, just say stop at any time.
Yeah, stop.
Okay, right here. Now this one, I don't want to see the card. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm not sure how to do this. Wait, you'll have to sort of trust me that I'm not looking. Okay, did everyone get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone got the card? Okay, so
Yeah.
here's what we'll do, okay? So if it was a picture card, like a king, queen, or jack, then let's just assume that to be 10.
Okay.
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 So since I didn't see the card, can you all tell me what the card was? I can't do anything. It's over here. So you can all tell me what the card was.
Seven club,
Seven of club.
seven of club.
7 of clubs.
7 of
Okay,
clubs.
so if I have this card, that may not work out, right? What would it be? 3.5, 3.5 of clubs, that's not possible, right?
Yeah, that's not
Right?
possible. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll have to try extra hard. This time, I can't wave my hand over it. This time, I'll have to give it a flick. And you'll see now, it turns to
3.5.
Oh, wow.
3.
the 3.5 of clubs.
3.5 of club. Oh my God.
Oh.
Amazing.
Card, right?
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely tricks, Gaurav.
Let's see. Maybe I can do just a couple more. Okay. Okay. Let's get someone else. I think you brought on Swati Aunty. Can you choose someone else?
Amongst the men, you take Mr. Motwani.
Okay. So Mr. Motwani, can you see all the cards? I want you to just choose one. Okay.
I can't see it from there, this distance, no?
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, whatever you see one and then remember.
Okay, this top one, the 8 of hearts, no? On
Oh, the
on
one
left
right
hand.
over here?
Yeah, 8 of hearts, yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's see. We'll keep it somewhere in the middle, right? And don't forget your card. Okay. So here's what we'll do. We'll push it in, and I'll give it some shuffles. You can give it something fancy like that as well. You know. Okay. So hopefully your card is not at the bottom, right? That's the 7 of spades, right? And hopefully it's not at the top, right?
No.
That is the 6 of diamonds.
Diamonds, yeah.
Okay. But pay close attention to the 6 of diamonds, because I want you to imagine that this is actually your card, the 8 of hearts. Just imagine. Imagine that I actually kept the 8 of hearts over here.
Okay.
Let me know when you're done imagining, when you successfully imagine that.
Okay, done.
So you see, all it takes is some imagination, and then it'll turn into your card.
This one. Nice one.
Right? I'll tell you what, I can write your name on this. So I'll write Mr. Motwani. Okay. And let's have some fun with this card. Okay, so that's a signed 8 of hearts.
Yeah.
People ask me why I like to ruin my cards like that. Well, it's because now you know that there are no duplicates, right? I get accused of having like 2 8 of hearts, you know, so like another 8 of hearts from a different deck. But this way, there can only be one such card, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we keep it somewhere in the middle, right? Well, I think I'm going to turn off my spotlight because it's creating a glare. I think this would be better.
Okay.
So you just saw me put it in the middle, but that's the thing. Magicians create illusions. I didn't actually put it in the middle, right? I placed it right on top, right in front of you. Okay, I'll do it again. I think that was too quick, and I was talking as well, so I was distracting. I'll do it again. Okay, so what's the signed 8 of hearts? This time I'll do it in front of you, right? You keep it about middle, and then just to prove to you, right? I didn't keep it on top, and it's not at the bottom, right? That's because I didn't snap my fingers. You know what happens when I snap my finger? If I snap, you'll see it jumps to the top. Okay. This time I'll show you. This time I'll show you the moment it jumps to the top. Okay, look, this, if you pay close attention, you'll see it go this time. I'll keep it sticking out so you know I'm putting it in the middle, right? I have a big chunk of cards over here. Would you say that's about middle? In this chunk of cards?
No, it's not in the middle.
I'll keep it in the middle of the middle.
Okay.
So you can see it sticking out right till the end. But that's the thing. Right now, your card is gone. It's no longer in the deck. Nowhere will you be able to see an 8 of hearts.
Oh, it vanished.
Yeah, it's gone. Do you know where it went?
Where? It's not in my pocket, I guess.
Hopefully not. But you see, there's no 8 of hearts over here. Because you see it jumps, and my hands have been on the screen the entire time, but you see it jumps.
First
Yeah.
right.
Right over there.
Oh,
Very nice. Super, super. Very nice, Gaurav.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I gotta go and study. But yeah.
you're awesome, Gaurav. All the best.
Yes,
All the
yes.
best.
Lots
All
of
the best.
blessings for you.
Excellent, excellent.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
And thank you so much for giving us your precious time in spite of your exams,
Absolutely.
Gaurav.
Oh,
And-
no,
and
of course, of course.
You
Been
will
busy with
do
work
very
too,
well in
but,
your exams. Okay. You'll do excellent in your exams. All our blessings and best wishes.
Yes, yes.
हम लोगों
Thank
को
you
भी
so
एक
much.
ट्रिक, एक दो ट्रिक हम लोगों को भी सिखाई है.
Yeah, we did that last time. I taught a trick last time, but maybe next time I can teach something. Yeah.
I remember when I had asked you, Gaurav, that can you share one of the tricks? So Gaurav tells me, can you keep secrets? Gaurav asks me, can you keep secrets? I said, yes. He says, so can I.
Very good answer.
And
good
he
answer.
never
Oh, I
shared
remember
any of the. I remember. Very smart fellow,
Yeah.
Gaurav. We
Very
would love to
smart.
have you again. Okay. So bye-bye for now. Thanks. Thanks
It
a
would
lot.
be my pleasure. Yeah.
Thank
Would
you,
it be
thank you.
possible for me to get this recording?
Yeah, I'll share it with you.
Immediately.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
perfect.
Today
I'll
itself.
share
perfect.
it with you. Then you can delete. What you can do is I'll give you the YouTube link, and then you can, maybe modify it, and then you can keep only just yours. You can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
I'll share the
Thanks
link.
so much, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
All
Thank
the
you.
best, all the best.
Bye bye.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Magic has no age. You can enjoy magic at any age, always, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Ah, that's fine.
And,
I was
and
just
now
thinking-
online. That's the
online,
biggest
yeah.
magic.
Online magic is more difficult.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Lovely. Okay, so we
Thank you,
It's-
Gaurav, and thank you, Swati ji, for bringing him here.
yes, yes, yes. Something unique to
Yeah.
enjoy on
Yeah,
screen.
that's right. Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay,
Very
so
interesting show. Very interesting show.
Very
He
interesting.
he had come earlier also. Once keeps busy with studies, and this is his passion, of course.
I
So yes.
Okay, great.
So we have come at the end of the session today, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's time, I suppose.
Yeah, it's 7:10.
Yeah, it's time.
Okay,
We'll
it was
continue
wonderful
again.
to hear all of you. Thank you very much. And thank you,
Yes.
Sagarika ji, for sharing the pictures as usual. Very nice pictures.
Yes, I've
Thank you. Thank
captured beautiful moments.
Yeah, you captured beautiful. Yeah, you clicked
It's already
right.
there.
Right. Yeah,
Okay.
she already
There's
shared in
some
the
more
group.
to come. Some more to come.
Yeah, she's already shared the group.
Some more.
Thank
I'll
you,
be
thank you
sending
so
some more. Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. Okay, तो मिलते हैं फिर next
Okay.
week. Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Next
Good night.
Wednesday we meet
Bye.
again. Yes.
Have a very
Bye.
good
Good night,
Bye bye.
Good night and have a good week
Bye,
ahead.
bye, bye.
Stay safe. Stay
Bye.
corona free.
Enjoy winter, yes, and stay safe.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.